So this is what I came up with, guys. Obviously the cord will look a lot better later, but it's all wired in. It's a really fucking bright blue LED, but that's got a 12.9 reading on the battery in there. You see the bass knob, you see the lights, flammable bitch. It's a pretty nice little system thing here I got going on. I don't know what you want to call it, but I love weed. No, I'm just joking. But anyways, yeah, so this is what I came up with in the last few weeks. You know, you just hit the little bass knob here, off, shuts that down. Then let me put it down so I can turn off the knobs without dropping shit all over the place. And then you know, you got your first accessory wire here. Boom, boom. Pretty cool. Let's take this over into the light so I get a better idea of what I'm doing over here. I just want to, yeah. I'm getting old. Anyways, so yeah, you know what I'm saying? 1, 2. You know, 12.8. Not a very good new battery, but hey, fuck it. Ain't my problem. It's pretty cool. You know, I used a lot of Nintendo on this. Unfortunately, I didn't really get one when I was a kid, but I got one now, motherfucker. Off. And then, you know, 1, you know, let's just say lights underneath the dash. 2, lights underneath the seats or whatever the fuck I decided to do. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to make you one. I'm going to make a couple of them. They're pretty badass and they're pretty fun to do. And I think I can make one that even looks better and does a lot more, I'm sure. I'm thinking about putting an MP3 or some kind of USB in here or something. Let me know what you guys think. I'm crazy.